Having a small press doesn't mean your prints always have to be solid colors. Here's a quick technique to help you breathe some life into a simple 2-screen print. Opening this one color file into Sep Studio 4 generates a clean single color separation. We can print it as it is now, or create an underbase to print on colored garments, creating a 2-screen project. Let's have a little fun with it now. Save and close. Reopening it now gives us access to the Spot Process toolset. First, we'll change the underbase color to a nice bright yellow. Next, using the eraser tool with a large diameter and low hardness on the pink separation, we can create a softened effect that removes some of the solid data from the pink separation, allowing the underbase color to show through. The pink separation will now print in halftones, giving us a very nice tonal effect. Printing films using a low line screen makes them exposure and press friendly with a more interesting result. And here is the final product. A beautiful 2-tone print made in minutes with Sep Studio 4.